Sova my cuisine. Welcome to my channel. I take ordinary dishes and make it extraordinary. Hello, today we're going to do dinner roast and we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of yeast. 1/4 cup of sugar. A teaspoon of baking powder and a cup of hot water. So mix everything together. We're going to knead it together for about 5 minutes. After that, we're going to cover it up with a kitchen towel and let it rise for about an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, we're going to punch it out and move it into the mixer. I mean, if you don't have a mixer, you can do all by hand. So now we're going to add 1 egg, 1 stick of butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to mix it for another 5 minutes and then take it out. So now I'm putting 1 cup of all-purpose flour on the board, and then I'm going to put the dough and knead it up. All-purpose flour can be different. It depends on the brands you are using. So I'm using Great Value brand for the first part, and then the second part I use King Arthur to powder it up. Next, you are going to butter your baking dish. So after that, you're going to cut your dough into sections and form it into rolls. Next, we're going to powder our dish and put the rolls in the dish. Altogether, I use just about 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to cover it up with a kitchen towel and let it sit for another 20 minutes before we bake. After that, you put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes for 350 degrees. To go with our bread, we're going to use grilled cheese. Because it's a Valentine's Day, I'm going to cut a heart shape into the cheese. And we're going to fill the heart shape with our favorite type jelly. You can also add some heart-shaped strawberries. So now our dinner roll is ready to be taken out. Next, put the cheese in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Voila! You're going to enjoy the combination of the brie cheese and the jelly with the warm bread. This is delicious. Thanks for watching. Have a happy Valentine's Day.